That shit is crazy. And every girl was like, model, 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 actress, model, model. Chili con carne. Basically, like, my mum used to make that all the time for me when I was younger. Always loved it. I just love like rice dishes with like good sauce and meat and stuff. And at the moment I know how to cook a really good one, like really good flavor. So yeah, 100% chili con carne. Or carne, I don't know how it's pronounced. And in Spanish I think it's chili con carne. Not at all, I hate that shit. I hate, like if I'm watching some YouTube tutorial like how to cook a certain thing, and they're like, cool, you gotta put it in the fridge, leave it there for 5 hours, and you gotta get it. I'm like, nah, that's too long. That's too long for me. I gotta eat that shit at least within an hour, 2 hours max, you know? I like to do things fast in life, eat fast, all that shit. Broccoli. I would say potato, just because potato is like a lot more nice, but I wouldn't say it's as healthy. So broccoli, 100%. Loads of greens, you know, loads of green. And you can like eat, you can like do loads of things with it. I used to just boil it in the water and then it would be nice and soft. But then like someone told me, oh, you're actually taking all the vitamins away. So you actually have to steam it. So then I was steaming with like this much water and all the broccoli at the top of the pan. And it would be crunchy as hell. And it wouldn't be that nice, but then like I'm getting more vitamins absorbed. But I don't do that anymore though, which is a shame, but I'm gonna hop back on that though for sure. Playboi Carti, 100%. He's coming out with a new sound that people aren't fucking with at the moment. They're gonna fuck with it soon, you know? He knows his sound, he knows who he is. You know, Pierre Bourne and the other producers he uses. He's always been lit, like, he just knows how to do a chorus, knows how to make a good song, you know, and not take music so fucking seriously. I only be listening to him, to be honest. And people get bare upset with me when I play him and shit, like, what the fuck is this? Like, you say that now, but you'll like him in 2 years, you know? Obviously, Andre 3000, like, yeah, that's amazing. But I'm now looking at the people who are bringing new styles to music, and especially to hip hop. That's the most difficult thing, to go into a genre but sound different in that genre. That's so difficult, and Carti's absolutely smashed that. Style Wars, 100%. You watch that shit and then people be like, okay, cool, this is how Jimothy like gets his wave. Yeah, it's just like, yeah, Style Wars, hands down. It just fascinates me, 70s, New York City, the way they dressed, the way they did shit, how there was always kids out playing, you know, even though it was dangerous as fuck out there in the streets. Graffitiing trains, crazy sport. That shit was just crazy, like, such a free city, you know? Really, really fascinates me. Really, really fascinates. I'd pay a lot of money to go back in time and be there for a week at least.